All right, guys, I need your pencils. Put in your pencil holders. I need eyes up here. Let me see who's ready. Ariana's ready. Natalie's ready. Levi's ready. All right, we're going to practice some sounds this morning. Everybody say or.
Or.
Alyssa, say or.
Or.
Caden, say our sound. Say or. Or. Holly? Or. Natalie?
Or.
Levi?
Or.
Xavier? Katie W? All right. How many sounds do you hear in or? Show me on your fingers. Do not say it out loud. Show me on your fingers how many sounds you hear in or. I want to see everybody's fingers. All right, if you said 2 sounds, you were correct. All right, everybody add k to the beginning of or. Or. Add n to the end of pour. Corner. Say or again.
Or.
Add k to the end of or. Oh, we're going to try that one again. Everybody listen carefully to my directions. Add k to the end of or. Orc, very good. I heard a few of you add it to the beginning, so make sure you're listening for those directions. Add f to the beginning of orc. Fork. Change the to a p. What's our new word? Pork. Very good. All right, I want to give you some think time. Think of a word with the or sound. While you're thinking, show me, and when you have one, give me a thumbs up. Think of a word that has the or sound in it. All right, let's see. Holly, do you have a word with the or sound?
Fork.
Fork. Very good. Or. K. Who else has a word with the or sound? Xavier? More. M. Or. Who else has a word with the or sound? Let's see, Alyssa? War. All right. War. Who else has one? Ariella? York. Yeah. Orc, like in New York. Good. All right, one more person. Ariana, do you have a word with the or sound?
Nork.
What?
Nork.
Nork. Let's think of some real words. Is that a real word? You're all right. It has the correct sound. Let's think of some real words like what we use in conversation. Amara, do you have one?
North.
Or. Good job. All right. Eyes up here. We're going to do another sound. I need everybody's eyes. Let me see who's ready. Katie A's ready. Levi's ready. Caleb's ready. Everybody say oast.
Oast.
All right. Say oast for me. Emily.
Oast.
And sit your head up, please. Ariana, say our sound. What is it?
Oast.
Oast. Very good. Ariella?
Oast.
Good. Holly?
Oast.
McCaitlin?
Oast.
Oast. Very good. Show me on your fingers. Don't say it out loud. How many sounds do you hear in oast? I'm looking for everybody's fingers. Show me on your fingers. How many sounds do you hear in oast? All right, if you said 3 sounds, you were correct. Who can raise your hand and tell me what those 3 sounds are that we hear in oast? Emily, what are the sounds?
Oast.
Very good. Let's all do those together. Oast. Oast. Who can raise your hand and tell me the vowel sound you hear in oast? Who can raise your hand and tell me the vowel sound that you hear in oast? Holly? O, the O sound, the long O. Everybody add m to the beginning of oast.
Most.
Very good. Add ly to the end of most.
Mostly.
Very good. Say oast again.
Oast.
Add p to the beginning of oast.
Post.
Very good. Add to the end of post.
Poster.
Very good. All right, I want you to think. Show me if you're thinking. Think of some words that have the oast sound. When you think you have some, change your thinking sign to a thumbs up. All right, Katie W., do you have an oast word? What?
Hosting.
Hosting, good. Hosting, or we could just say host. All right, who else has an oast word for me? Kayla?
Roasting.
Roasting, roasting, good. Who else has an oast word for me? Xavier?
Hosting.
Hosting, well, that's one we just put on there.
Wait. Coast.
Coast, all right. Who has another one for me? Let's see, KDA?
Toasting.
Toasting, good.
Toaster.
Oasting or oaster. Both have the oast sound. Kaden?
Most.
Most, very good. All right, I'm going to take one more oast word. I need one more. Let's see, Emily.
Coast.
Coast. I think we might have said that one. Does anyone have another one? Alyssa?
Mostly.
Mostly, kind of like most. Anybody else? Kinsley, do you have one?
Ghost.
Ghost, very good. That's one I'm thinking of with Halloween coming up.
Yeah.
Ghost. All right, what two sounds have we been talking about? It. When I point to it, I want you to tell me the sound. Or. Oast. One more time. Or. Oast. Very good. All right, I'm going to give you some words and we're going to change some sounds. So be sure you're listening carefully to the word and you're listening carefully to the sound. I want you to change. Everybody say spam.
Spam.
Change the p to a w.
Swam.
Very good. Say spool.
Spool.
Change the p to a k.
Pool.
Say spar.
Star.
Oh, let's try it again. Say spar.
Star.
Change the p to a t.
Store.
Say steep.
Steep.
Change the t to a w.
Sweet.
Say sneer.
Sneer.
Change the to a t.
Steer.
Say skip.
Skip.
Change the k to a n.
Snip.
Say snack.
Snack.
Change the to a
Smack.
Say smock.
Small.
Change to t.
Stop.
Very good. All right, I'm going to give you guys some words with some mix-up sounds. Remember, I'm mixing up the first sounds. If you think you have an idea of what the words should be, I want you to raise your hand. I do not want you to blurt it out. Limb, a swap. Limb, a swap. Limb, a swap. Let's see. Ariella, what do you think?
I forgot.
Listen again. Limb, a swap.
Let a stack.
Not quite. Remember, I'm mixing up the first sounds. Let's see. Do I have anybody else who doesn't have their hand raised that think they might know? Limb, a swap. Mara, what do you think?
Like a snack.
Not quite. Remember, I'm mixing up the first sounds. So listen for the first sounds I say. Limb, a swap. Emily, what do you think?
When slap.
Not quite. Remember, I'm mixing up my sounds. M, a swap. KDA, what do you think?
Swim a lap.
Swim a lap. Very good. Let's all say that together. Swim a lap. So guys, I mixed up my wool and my swap. So I mixed those up. I said limb a swap. And when we switch them back around, we've got swim a lap. All right, good job this morning. We're going to finish up our sounds and we're going to go ahead and get started with our lesson. So thumbs up, everybody. Good job with your sounds this morning.